Diarrhea we have due to so many reasons. Some people have tension diarrhea. So whenever they have to go for a meeting or going out, they have a sudden diarrhea. Or some people have diarrhea due to food intake. It may be due to bacteria, parasites, all that. So what I am going to share with you is the treatment for simple diarrhea. It's not a chronic disease. According to acupuncture, diarrhea may be due to the imbalance in the earth element, that is the stomach, the spleen. Also it may be due to large intestine imbalance. So here, unless we strengthen these organs, you cannot get completely cured from chronic diarrhea. So now I teach you simple method how to help yourself. Generally you have a diarrhea, it is better you allow the process to take place because it's a natural cleansing, but you should see that you don't dehydrate yourself. So you can take some warm water, add little salt and sugar and keep it, and if you feel very tired, exhausted, see that you keep yourself drinking this liquid which will hydrate yourself and take good rest. Keep yourself empty, don't eat anything, and once the diarrhea stops, then you can take light food. The home remedy which will help you is methi seeds, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds soaked in the buttermilk. Keep it for some time, then you can chew the methi and drink the buttermilk. This also helps for stopping the diarrhea. And if you have a diarrhea which cannot be uncontrollable, one of the point is here. Is called stopping point, below your nose and the upper lip, the center part. So this is the part, is called due 26. So either you can take a pencil and just press this point or tap the point, or you stimulate the point. Same like 21 times clockwise, then release, then anti-clockwise 21 times. So this is a very important point at the time of emergency to stop. So somebody has felt giddy, so fits, or diarrhea, severe diarrhea, this point you can put. But don't use this point for anything else, because there is something stopping and eliminating points. You simply stop, put a stopping point, it may have some adverse effect. So only use this for diarrhea or at the time of emergency. This point also can be used for severe bleeding, continuous bleeding. So this is the first point. The second point what you have is around the stomach area, that is called ST25. So in acupuncture you have points which are located on the organ itself. So this point also, when you have problem in that area, it will be very, very sensitive. When you touch, it will be painful. So if there is a pain, it's a sensitive area, that means there is some problem in the organ. So by stimulating this point, it will calm down the organ. So if you have diarrhea, so it will calm down. So it's a very beautiful point which is there on the organ. When you stimulate, immediately you will have an impact. I had one patient came to me, who was suffering for 10 days with the severe diarrhea, and he had gone to allopathy, another system of medicine, but nothing could work. I just gave one treatment and immediately diarrhea stopped. So it's not that the acupuncture made a miracle in his life, since maybe other medicine had worked at the physical level. Energy level, the block was on the meridian blocks. When it released, he got completely relieved out of it. So learning these remedies will help you to take care of yourself and avoid unnecessary medication. Medications also are very important, but not all the time, because most of the medicines will have side effects. So now I am going to show you the acupuncture point, stomach 25. So the stomach 25 is where your umbilicus, the umbilicus, from the umbilicus you take 2 chun. This is 1 chun, this is 2 chun. The first line, the second line. So this is the 2 chun. From the umbilicus you keep 2 chun. Straight line, where the line touches, that is the point. Straight level, this is the point, is called ST25. Same way, take the left side also. Keep the finger over there, and where the second line touches is the ST25, and you stimulate that point. Just press. You may have some sensation, pain over there, but by stimulating this, you will find the pain will slowly go away. Same way you stimulate clockwise 21 times, release, then you anti-clockwise 21 times and release, or you tap the point. So this is also the another point. The third point what I am going to share with you is below the umbilicus. Below the umbilicus. So from below the umbilicus you keep 2 fingers like this. Just 2 fingers, and when you keep these 2 fingers where the second finger reaches at the center line of the body. So there also you keep a point and you stimulate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this will also strengthen your stomach muscles, and it is very close to the stomach. It will give an immediate impact. So this is the next point. What I am going to share with you is stomach 21. So before in the stomach 21 there are 2 points that we have to keep in mind. From the umbilicus you keep 4 fingers. 4 fingers. Then you keep 1 chun. So it becomes 4 chun. From the umbilicus you have 4th chun. There is a point over there, and this point is called Ren 12. So this point also is a local point for the stomach. So by stimulating this point, it will help you to calm your stomach. It's a very beautiful point. Actually it is connected to the yang organ, which also can be used for diarrhea problem. So it's called Ren 12. Then from Ren 12 you take 2 chun sides. Keep 2 chuns from that point to the side, to the right as well as to the left. So this is called stomach 21. So this point also you stimulate clockwise and anti-clockwise. So together with the Ren 12, ST21, ST25 and Ren 6. These are the few points in the stomach area. Now there are also points called distant point. distant point for the stomach. So if you put this point, it will energize your stomach. So this is a very common point, is called ST36. So ST36 is where your kneecap, from the kneecap towards your little toe, you keep 4 fingers. So when you keep your 4 fingers, that is the bone here, the leg bone. From the leg bone you keep 1 finger like this. So this is the line. So where the 4 fingers you keep, and at the end you keep 1 finger, where the point reaches, it is called ST36. So ST36 is also immunity point. It will help you to strengthen your stomach and help you with the diarrhea problem. So with this point, you will be able to help yourself with the diarrhea. So another way to help yourself is with the mudra. A simple mudra is called Varun Mudra. Varun Mudra is where you keep your thumb and the little finger together. So this is called Varun Mudra, and by doing this, this is connected with the water element. So it will help you to balance your water element, which is also very good for the diarrhea. So you take a comfortable posture, sit quietly, then close your eyes. Then you keep this mudra with the thumb and the last finger touching each other, the tips, closing the eyes. Do it for 10 minutes. As you sit quietly, focus yourself on this mudra only. So this also will help you to heal your diarrhea problem. So when I say diarrhea, what I share with you is a simple method of helping yourself. But you have chronic disease, or there are people who go to the toilet immediately after eating, or as they eating itself they want to go to the toilet. For that I will share with the points for you later. Thank you.
Are you all my personal